Hey everyone! If you're like me and when a big snowstorm hits us in North Carolina or wherever you are, you might be tempted to scoop up some fresh powder and whip up that classic snow cream. It's nostalgic, it's fun, it's basically free ice cream. I love it. But is it safe? Today we're diving into whether eating snow or snow cream is a good idea, what the real risks are, and how to make it as safely as possible if you decide to go for it. Stick around. Let's break this down. The big question. Is eating snow cream safe? Short answer. For most healthy people, a small amount of properly collected fresh snow is generally low risk and unlikely to cause real harm. Experts from Dartmouth Health, Oregon State University, and Cleveland Clinic say pristine, undisturbed snow in clean air areas is usually fine in moderation. But snow isn't just frozen pure water. As flakes drift down slowly, they act like little filters, grabbing tiny bits of stuff from the air. Think dust, vehicle exhaust particles, industrial pollutants like nitrates or sulfates, and even trace heavy metals. The very first flakes of a storm tend to pick up more of this junk because they're scrubbing the atmosphere clean. Later snow during the same storm is often cleaner. For the average person, the amounts are super small. One-time exposure from a bowl of snow cream isn't going to make you sick. But if you have a weakened immune system, are pregnant, elderly, very young, like infants, or dealing with health issues, it's smarter to skip it entirely or talk to a doctor first. Better safe than sorry. Potential downsides and who should skip it. Let's be real. Snow can carry bacteria from the ground if it's been sitting there, or pick up road salt, animal waste, or chemicals if it's near busy areas. Plowed snow? Big no. It's loaded with de-icing chemicals and grime. Discolored snow, yellow, brown, pink, gray, definitely avoid it. That could mean urine, dirt, algae, or other nasty stuff. The good news? Most scientists and doctors interviewed, even in older NPR pieces and recent AP reports, say they'd let their own kids have a taste from a clean backyard during a storm. It's not zero risk, but it's low for occasional fun. Just don't go eating buckets of it daily. Smart guidelines for safe eating, snow and snow cream. If you're set on trying snow cream, follow these expert-backed tips to minimize any issues. 1. Timing matters. Skip the very first hour or two of snowfall. Let it fall for a while so the initial air cleaning phase passes. Catch snow mid-storm or later for cleaner flakes. 2. Pick the spot wisely. Go for rural spots, your backyard, or open areas far from highways, factories, parking lots, or plowed roads. The urban snow near traffic is way dirtier. 3. Look for perfect snow. Only use bright white, fluffy, pristine stuff. No color changes, no dirt specks. 4. Collect it smart. Put out a clean bowl to catch falling flakes directly, best method, or scoop just the top untouched layer. Don't scrape snow off the ground, trees, or anything it's touched. 5. Keep portions small. Enjoy a little as a treat, not a meal. The more you eat, the more any tiny contaminants add up. And remember, this snow cream melts fast, so make and eat it right away. How to make snow cream. Back in the day, we had an old simple recipe where we just mix clean snow with
sweetened condensed milk,
plus optional vanilla extract, or just regular milk and snow during hard times. Nowadays, we have options for the snow cream. Mix up milk or cream, plant milk, etc., sugar to taste, a splash of vanilla, and maybe a pinch of salt. Fold in the snow gradually until it's creamy like soft serve. Add fun stuff like cocoa for chocolate version, sprinkles, or crushed cookies last minute. Boom! Winter magic. It's better when following the safety steps. So, is snow cream worth it? If you do it right in a clean spot, yeah, it's a harmless, joyful tradition for most folks. But know the risks and use common sense. Have you ever made it? Drop your tips or stories in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more fun winter vibes, and turn on notifications. Stay warm out there,